Hi, if you're watching me for the first time, welcome here. My name is Muna. I'll be taking you guys with me step by step on how to start a YouTube channel. Today's video is beginner friendly on how to set up your YouTube channel. I've gotten lots of questions from my friends and just people who know me on how they can start a YouTube channel or what they need to start a YouTube channel. So I'm starting this series of just giving you guys a guide on how I started off on here on YouTube, the process I followed when I started off, the research I made and implemented. So number one step is start before you are ready. Know what your YouTube channel will be about. What kind of content you want to create. You want to create content around sports, let's say how you work out every day, or you want to create content around food, you want to create content around your everyday life, you want to vlog about your day. There are so many. If you want to see a video where I did list out several options you can try out, content ideas, several YouTube ideas, niches you can explore, I did a separate video for that. The next thing is to understand who your target audience are. Are they married women? Are they unmarried, single, children? You have to know who your target audience are, so that will help you even promote it to the right audience or the right people. Think about what problem are you solving. Like, why would I sit down and watch a video of 20 minutes if you're not solving any problem? The next step is planning. So you have to make plans. The first plan you need to make is research, like on a topic you want to talk about. Let's think, are they topics that would drag audience or not? Are they topics that people are interested in or not? You also have to research about your competitors. You have to know who your competitors are. Now, the reason why you have to research your competitors is to know what they are doing differently, how their thumbnails are, kind of titles they use to engage their audience. You can just see what their strategy is and know how to get your own strategy. It just gives you a guide. So no matter the niche you want to talk about, no matter the topic you want to focus on, there's somebody out there already doing it. Understand YouTube algorithm. So now, after you've known all these things, now let's talk about the main business, which is actually starting a YouTube channel. Download the YouTube app and link your Gmail account to your YouTube on your YouTube app, and as simple as that, you just have your channel up. You make your username something very interesting. Make sure that you have a good banner. I'll have a good description about your page. You want to be able to tell your viewers what you are, who you are, and what your content is about. Decide on your channel color. What color do you think you want to use for your thumbnail and your titles? What color do you want your page or you want your channel to be represented with? People want to do like natural color tone. You can pick different colors, right? But the good thing about having a significant unique color or text design or whatever on your channel is subscriber see this, they know it's you. Like, it's easy for them to just know it's you by just seeing your text or your thumbnail design or the kind of font you've used. They can just identify you by that. Another thing you want to do is create a playlist on your channel, because you're trying to not niche down, which I won't suggest. Do not niche down on any topic, do not niche down on any segment. You want to try out other things and see which one works. Pick a location for where you want to shoot. If it's your room, make it look a certain way that is really pleasing to the eyes. Making all these decisions to just make sure at the end of the day people see your channel, it looks interesting, it looks engaging. At this point, you also want to think about strategy. How would you package yourself that it will look different from what every other person is doing? And the next step is actually shooting. For me, when I shoot, I use a script. I actually have scripts all my videos, like the topics and everything, so you can see them here. So most times people use different softwares to type out their script, and the script just has like the intro. If there's any unique word on my intro, I put it down, and it also has like keywords. It doesn't really say, I don't say exactly what is on my script. I just have like a summary of what I need to say. It's always advisable to batch shoot so that you don't get tired. As a startup, what I did, or the one mistake I made, was I didn't batch shoot. I shot just one video at a start, and the next week I found that I was tired. I was just like, I didn't get the response I needed. I was tired. I was discouraged. So I felt like I would give you an advice that if you want to start up, please batch shoot. The day you want to shoot like 4 or 5 content that would last you the whole month. Or before you post the first video, ensure that you've optimized the video. And how you do that is very easy. By having the right title, like I mentioned, the right thumbnail, and then tags. Use the right tags, use the right hashtag. That would help people find you easily. Download TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy in general helps me understand how to reconstruct my title in order for me to use it the right way. So the right title will help you get the right audience. And once you have 500 subscribers, you are given access to your community tab. So with that community tab, you can always post your video and reshare there, and people can easily just click your video from their home feed. This applies to just your subscribers. Your subscribers will see your video. Final step for me is going to be me sharing my tips. For me personally, I would suggest, if you want to eventually monetize your channel, which is something I'm working on, it's like creating an email list. Find a way to sell something or sell something free on your, like have an external link that will link people to your email, have them subscribe to your email. So once that happens, if you have a new video, you can post it on your email, show your email, and that brings its own traffic. So it's like you have WhatsApp, you have Telegram, you have Instagram, you have email, your email list. So you can add your email list and explore that as well. Yes, people do make money on YouTube. If you're a Nigerian watching this, you can make money on YouTube. I'll drop a video on that. Work for you again is to schedule your content days, like have your viewers know the days you post your content. If you are just Wednesdays, make sure your viewers are like register it in their mind. Always keep saying, oh, I drop videos every Wednesday. Ensure to come back here and check on it, which brings me to saying I drop video here every Wednesday and Saturdays. So ensure to always check on my channel. Always come back and check on me, okay? So a few people I follow that on Mondays, I know they post. I go to that channel on Mondays. I'm just waiting for their videos to drop, and once it drops, I watch it. That might just be something you can try out as well. Just have a religion of sticking to a routine, a schedule, and your viewers or your audience also have that in mind, and that will just help you build that loyal, fans or loyal subscribers. I would say YouTube is hard. I think the editing part for me is harder because it's a lot of figuring out. So be open to figuring out, be open to getting frustrated while shooting. Even professionals still get frustrated while shooting. Either their battery dies or they have to stand up and change their batteries. There are many things that happens when you film, so it's okay. You have to understand that if you post 10 videos on your channel, 20 videos on your channel, and they don't do well, you are getting 52 views, 21 views, or 1 like, 3 likes, does not mean you should relent. It doesn't mean you should give up. That video that would blow, how am I saying blow? That video that will blow you will come. Just keep being consistent. I mean, that's what I believe in. That's what I'm doing. I'm consistent. I'm trying to trust the process, and I'm enjoying the process of creating content. I think that's the important thing. So if you can have the habit of just enjoying the process of creating content and just take your mind off it. It will hurt you that people will see your content. Even your family and friends will see it and they will not engage in it. They might not drop a comment. They might not like it. They might not subscribe, but just keep doing it. If you love what you do, do it. Please have 20 topics that surround you, the ideas or the niche you want to talk about. Have 20 written down so you don't get stuck at any point, because another thing that kills productivity is not just laziness to edit or laziness to shoot or being discouraged. There's also the part of you don't know what to shoot. And I don't think I've ever been in that position, because right now I'm looking at the book. I have my notebook. I have a notebook for ideas. I have over 100 topics to talk about. The laziness comes in editing. It comes in shooting. So you might be different. You might be someone who is stuck with ideas. What ideas would I create? What topic would I talk about? I don't know what to talk about. So which brings me to say, if you're in that space, my next video I'll be discussing or sharing. Not discussing. I'll be sharing and listing out ideas you can try out. You can pick one and focus on it and build your channel. You can pick 10, focus on it and build your channel. So ensure to watch that next video. And this brings me to the end of this video. Hope you've learned anything. If you have any questions regarding anything I talked about, drop a question down in the comment section. I would make a video to reply you. Yes. See you guys in the next video. Bye.